Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing. Today, we're not just building a vehicle, we're witnessing the birth of precision, the M142 HIMARS.
You're about to see how they build many kinds of these world-class machines, right here.
It all starts here, with certified aerospace-grade materials, ready for transformation. The journey begins inside the most advanced computer-controlled systems.
Every piece, from the engine mounts to the smallest sensor bracket, is made here, ensuring maximum resilience and reliability. Pressure stable. Seal integrity confirmed.
Temperature nominal. Initiate primary press cycle.
Automation drives our consistency. Sensors and AI guide the flow, making human error a thing of the past.
Wheel 6B. Zero tolerance achieved. Releasing to AGV bay.
Torque sequence 1 confirmed. Proceeding to safety lock.
All pitch diameters within +5 microns. Certification green. Trimming sequence complete. Run dimensional scan.
Holding maximum internal pressure. All seal sensors green.
Loom C4 resistance check nominal. Ready for pull test.
Microfracture scan negative. Releasing bolt batch 7A.
Component delivery confirmed. Sequence Alpha 1, initiating chassis build.
Here, the journey begins not once, but 6 times simultaneously. Each chassis, while fundamentally HIMARS, is
Front axle torque sequence commencing. All fasteners to spec.
Frame locked. Alignment check. Proceed to axle installation.
Torque lock sequence confirmed. Component linkage certified.
Watch closely. The core power unit is integrated in one flawless move, testament to the precision of the manufacturing process.
Mounts secured. Torque verification complete. Fluid conduits locking.
Bell housing seated. Initiating final torque lock.
The complexity of the wiring and computer systems rivals that of a modern jet. Everything is double and triple checked automatically.
Junction point 4B secure. Data handshake confirmed.
Coolant saturation 100%.
Tank seated. Initiating cross-member torque sequence.
Panel alignment confirmed. Docking sequence initiated.
Seat fixture 1 secured. Torque lock positive.
Wheel alignment confirmed. Engaging lug position. Torque sequence complete. All 6 hubs confirmed green. Vehicle now on its wheels. Front axle connections certified 0 leak. Moving to rear tandem.
Panel Alpha 7 aligned. Engaging suction lock.
Weld integrity scan initiated. Maintaining plasma temperature. Underside torque sequence initiated. Confirming pressure seal at all points.
Seal pressure check commencing. Hold position for curing.
Sensor module 3A connected. Signal strength nominal.
Thermal map stable. No hotspots detected. Shutting down power unit.
We have positive power. Drive test 1 complete. Proceeding to launcher bay.
Actuator 1 seated. Ready for torque check.
Hydraulic line 2A secured. Seal integrity check confirmed green. Module seating check. Aligning data ports 1 and 2. Fiber link established. Power draw stable. FCS fully licked.
This is the heart of the HIMARS. The launcher system requires flawless synchronization between hydraulics and computational targeting.
Loading track engagement confirmed. Checking 0-point clearance.
Elevation check 90 degrees. Slew rate nominal. Calibration complete. Approaching tolerance zone. Slow descent to point 0.
Physical lock confirmed. All pins seated. Proceed to bolt sequence.
Final torque sequence complete. Structural integration certified.
Final system architecture check passed. Status operational. Proceed to finishing bay.
Customization is key. These color codes aren't just for looks. They match specialized internal components, from extreme cold lubricant.
Primer viscosity, nominal. Initiating full coverage cycle.
Scan complete. 0 surface anomalies detected. Ready for manual touch-up.
Just a thorough life test spec. Clear.
Paint booth entry cycle initiated. Air pressure lock engaged.
Color reservoir 1 engaged. Spray pattern nominal. Maintaining optimal flow rate.
Final color matrix complete. Pattern integrity confirmed.
Undercarriage coating flow nominal. Coverage depth verified.
Curing cycle commencing. Seal the thermal gate. Core surface temperature reaching bake point. Maintaining thermal profile. Stencil placement verified. Initiating paint sequence. 99.8% accuracy.
Mirror bracket secured. Check the torque on the light assembly bolts.
Insignia placement final. Heating element engaging for bonding.
Final seal. Torque lock confirmed.
Payload lock verified. FCS link active. Test sequence ready.
Stabilizers deployed. Full articulation sweep confirmed. System holding alignment.
External integrity scan initiated. Comparing final dimensions to CAD model.
All systems locked and verified. Final certification stamp approved.
Driver mentals are clear.
Stabilizers green. Ready to articulate launcher.
Launcher stowed and locked. Stabilizers retracted. Ready for off-road drive.
Water depth maximum. Propulsion steady. No fluid ingress.
Mud pit cleared. Mission capability confirmed. Return to depot.
Mud pit cleared. Mission capability confirmed. Return to depot.
From a single bolt to a fully operational weapon system, next-gen manufacturing produces these incredible machines. This factory, as you can see, what impossible factory should we explore next? A supersonic jet? A deep sea habitat? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Manufacturing for more impossible factory journeys.